Let's analyze the structure first. Leather bottom, leather top plus bolt details. These steps make it more layered. Regards to bolt details, I will use different supporting materials, excipients, so we can understand the difference in the results. Most of the time, excipients are complicated topics because they're interchangeable. When can it be replaced? When can't it be replaced? Since there are a lot of types, they can be interchanged, so they can be arranged into many combinations. If you don't have a correct concept of excipients, you may feel limited to certain parts of the product. You may think it's not right to change. At this time, your mind must be open to have an ability to use excipients flexibly. It's based on your understanding and knowledge of excipients. There are only a few commonly used excipients. You can buy each of them or contact us for a small piece of sample. If you need it, make a sample book so you can feel their hardness, their touch, their directionality, and malleability. Just these considerations. Okay, the bottom leather is hardened by 0.4 mm Webtex. There are many kinds of leather materials I choose: Togo, plain pattern, and Epsom leather, French cut, and Napa. The bottom leather needs to have a certain stiffness. So when you need a flat stiffness, Webtex is definitely the optimal solution. So I added 0.4 毫米 Webtex, but I don't want it to be as hard as a brick, without soft touch. Therefore, when I add Webtex, I will add other excipients to get different touch feeling, so as to reach different effect. This is small fiber leather. During the entire cutting process, we can feel a difference among excipients. Like large fiber leather, it's very hard. Both of them are made of microfiber. It contains a certain amount of leather. The small fiber leather is softer, say 1.0 毫米 thickness. The feeling between them are completely different. This large fiber leather has a bit of a box leather feel, but it's lighter than a box leather. There is also a certain direction. It has certain ductility resistance. This small fiber leather is softer. The ductility resistance is relatively weak. In this way, the large fiber leather can be cut much easier, thanks for its hardness. So we can provide a bag with a better support and stiffness. And it's much lighter than a box leather of the same size. It helps us reduce the weight of the bag. So when I can use excipients, I will not choose leather. The chemical and physical characteristic of excipients is more stable than leather. Unlike leather, it has contractility. The leather will deform after absorbing water. And thirdly, the leather is heavier. Fourth, the density of leather is uneven. Same piece of leather, the density may be different in parts. Small fiber leather is often used on twinning bags or softer bags. Large fiber leather is used to make some firm bags or semi-firm bags. This is their difference. What they have in common is, if we do a flat surface, then they can replace each other, because if it is not needed to provide support. The only difference is that they offer different feeling. Small fiber leather is softer. Large fiber leather is stiffer, more stylish. Then at this time, they can be interchanged. The criteria must be considered when selecting excipients. First, what feel do you need? What does it do? Is it supportive, protective or feel? The second is thickness adjustment. Cut the excipient slowly. During the cutting process, we can focus on feeling the characteristics of excipients. This is Talyn. Talyn has a very clear direction. It's very easy to bend in this direction. It's hard to bend in this direction. Talyn has an obvious direction. So when to use it? We will talk more details in the integrated skill lesson. In this lesson, we summarize for excipients to have an intuitive concept and feeling first.